India and Australia held the 10th Defence Policy Talks in New Delhi, reviewing defence cooperation and discussing new initiatives to enhance interoperability, maritime security collaboration, and defence industry engagement. Paris Defence has unveiled its new Paras SK-50 tactical drone, featuring autonomous target identification, tracking and battlefield operation capabilities for contested environments. The Indian Coast Guard has commissioned a new generation Adamya-class fast patrol vessel, built by Goa Shipyard Limited with over 50% indigenous content. A report by the Centre for Land Warfare Studies warns that India could face coordinated attacks involving over 2,000 drones per day in a future multi-front tri-service conflict, highlighting the urgent need for advanced counter-drone and integrated air defence capabilities. A high-level Algerian military delegation visited the Indian Army's 505 Army Base workshop, as Algeria is exploring joint maintenance, technology transfer and local upgrade partnerships to modernize its armored vehicles. Bangalore-based Zulu Defence's DRAP loitering munition has secured an order from the Netherlands Special Forces, marking a major international breakthrough for the Indian defense startup. Zulu Defense Systems has unveiled the CLAD canister launcher-based air defense system, featuring a 9-tube pod configuration for counter-swarm drone operations around strategic bases and sensitive installations. The system can also be customized with 12 launch pods as per requirement, and can be mounted on vehicles for mobile air defense operations, and is designed for deployment across mountains, deserts and all-terrain environments. The Indian Army is expanding its indigenous SapperScout version 2 unmanned ground vehicle program by integrating surveillance drones and loitering munition launch capability to enhance aerial reconnaissance, precision strike and battlefield situational awareness. The Indian Air Force has identified 2 forward bases in Rajasthan for deployment of its first 4 Tejas Mark 1A squadrons, with 2 squadrons planned at each base for Western Sector operations. Infrastructure upgrades are ongoing, that include hardened shelters, maintenance facilities, logistics support, and mission planning systems to boost rapid response and sustained operational readiness near the Western Front with Pakistan. The DRDO has successfully conducted a long-duration test of its actively cooled full-scale Scramjet Combustor, achieving a runtime of over 1,200 seconds at the Scramjet Connect Pipe Test Facility in Hyderabad. The test builds upon an earlier 700 seconds trial conducted in January this year. At Mach 10 speeds, a hypersonic cruise missile flying for more than 1,200 seconds would translate into a formidable strike range of nearly 4,500 kilometers, giving it the reach to hit targets well beyond conventional boundaries. India's Netra Mark II program has entered a major development phase, with Electronics and Radar Development Establishment issuing an request for proposal for development of the radar software architecture. The Airbus A321-based system will feature a gallium nitride-based 4D ACE radar for air and maritime surveillance, with flight trials expected by end of 2026. DRDO's Project Ranjeet Future Ready Combat Vehicle program is advancing as the Indian Army's next-generation indigenous heavy combat platform, under the 57,000 crore rupees plan for 1,770 FRCVs. The program has already received Defence Acquisition Council approval, with prototype maturity expected around 2028 and serial production projected by 2031. Today's top 3 comments.